I'll be doing a quick review of this Syncwire magnetic phone ring holder. Supposedly this works on iPhone and Android phones, and it has a double ring structure and can move 360, and of course it has some strong magnets. So I'll go ahead and open this up. Quick little instruction booklet. Says it's for iPhone 15, 14, 13, and 12 phones, and phones with MagSafe compatible cases. Okay. Adjust the rotating shaft to the desired angle, both horizontally and vertically. And actually does say for Android. Very nice. If it's an Android non-MagSafe phone, you can position the paste on the metal ring of your device first, then you can use the magnetic phone ring holder. So instead of reading it, I think I'm just going to do it. That looks pretty cool. Cool. So now I'll get my phone case out and test it out. It came with this nice cool template inside the box. And as you can see, all you have to do is line it up right here, like so. And then you can put the metal ring it came with. In fact, it came with two, but I only need one. But you just put it in like that. Line it up. Of course, you'll peel the sticker off. It's nice touch just by adding this little piece. You can see this right here is perfect fit right there. So very cool. Nice, very nice touch. So I got my phone case here, and this is not an iPhone case, this is an Android, but it doesn't matter. So first thing you're going to do is grab one of these rings. There's adhesive and it's sticky right on this side, and then you'll flip this around and put this ring right here, the sticky side on right here, and then of course you'll just peel the tape off. But put that on, it will look like that. I already have one on here, it's a magnetic ring. In addition, this phone case already has a magnet on the center. So now I can grab this, and I will just put this on here, and it pops on right away with relative ease, so I like that. And then to open this up, got your kickstand right here. That's pretty nice. You can rotate it, so it's like that. I'm recording with my phone, that's why my phone's not in here. And then likewise, there's an arrow right here. You just open that up, and now you can move it up more like that. Now it's up like that. Really nice, actually. Put it in the angle you want. Also, if by chance you don't like this metal thing on here for whatever reason, you can actually just pop it off. So very cool. Very nice. Really glad I got this.
This is better than one of those regular magnetic phone cases with just a loop or clip, as this can adjust and be used in multiple positions or to hang on to things even if it's not magnetic. I've used this in many different ways to give myself a better viewing angle while using my phone. Anyway, I'll put some links to this item in the description. Oh, and by the way, for those interested, this weighs 1.3 ounces. So hopefully this video gave you a good idea of this type of product. Let me know if you have any questions. Please help me to grow this channel and like this video and subscribe. And tell me if there is something else you would like to see. Thanks for watching. Bye.